G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Part 1. Now, the property I'm standing in, there's a lot of work to be done. The tenants have just moved out and we've got rubbish laying everywhere. It needs all to be taken to the tip. But the original owner, or the owner, has got some of his property here too. But involved in this whole project, I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you. Here we go. First of all, this door has seen better days. So, this whole door is being replaced with that door there I picked up. I think I might need that at the end of this job. Backyard needs to be sorted out completely. All sorts left. Ground's got to be levelled. Lawn's cut. Down here, air conditioner's going. So I'm going to put some pavers down there for that to sit on. And more in the backyard that needs to be sorted out. I've been given permission to take all this wood with me and all the eaves. Tidy the trees up. Now this is just the outside. This house is about 520 square meters in size. That's just the house itself. Yeah, that's all going to be cleaned up, tidied up. Yeah, big job. Okay, let's have a walk around the inside. My first job today is to replace that back door to make the property secure and put a cat flap on it so the cat can come and go, which is one of my jobs, is feeding the little man. It was a rescue kitten that I saved, and the person who lives here took the kitten on. So here we go, all this area, floors, the whole thing is going to be repainted. All the holes above the windows where the old frames and all the old pictures are put up have to be filled. Every single wall in the house has got holes in. Every single wall in the house needs to be painted. Carpets throughout the whole house are coming up. New curtain rails are going along every single window, which I've had engineered because the windows are so big. The ones that you normally buy, even with the one in the piece in the middle, the support, end up drooping. I don't use that word. Table staying in the sideboard, so all these cabinets, the kitchen island has to be repaired. New panels put all the way around. New doors put on, all of it, new kickboards. And the thing is, we can't buy any of these doors to size because they're all different sizes. So every single one of these cupboard doors have to be made by myself. Again, some lino vinyl flooring that's got to come up. All the old skirting boards are all coming off because the whole of this house, the floor in every room apart from the tiled rooms like the laundry and the bathrooms, is getting engineered floor put down. So yes, a lot of work. All the old rails and blinds all have to come down. Yeah, clean everything up. Another bathroom. Needs a new bathroom shower glass door put on it. Yep, some more stuff here laying around that needs to go to the tip. And another one. I'll tell you one thing, lucky we're ripping all these carpets up. And let's close all these windows. They should not be open. Why is that one not shutting? Oh, I'll figure that out. There it is. Is that window closed? Let's make sure they're all secure. The owner doesn't want any left open. Like that one is too. Let's move this thing out of the way. This one's open all the way. Yep. That one's closed. That one should be closed. Yeah, oh no, it's open. That needs to be closed. And here we go, back down to the master bedroom end. Again, all the carpets coming up, walls are being painted, skirting's coming off, new flooring's going down, that accent wall's going to be repainted another colour. New front doors going on with new locks. Yeah, all this has to be done. All repainted, all of it. All the tiles in the shower there, they're all bulging coming off. So they've all got to be taken off carefully, all dried out, and all put back on, and all the grout sealed properly. Because when this house was built, they didn't use the proper grout. They didn't use waterproof grout, so that's why the tiles are all coming off so bad. And on the other side of that is the other room with all this gear in, and that wall's got to be cleaned off, skimmed and ready for repainting. Yeah. So there's going to be lots of videos of fixing this place up to come. Okay. Now you know what's ahead. I'll see you later.